Hey guys, Chicago injury lawyer Scott DeSalvo here, also known as My Injury Guy, shooting another video for you. And in today's video, the topic is advice for people who never called a workers' comp lawyer before. I spoke with a guy who gave me a call. We played a little phone tag before I was able to get him on the telephone, but I eventually was able to get him on the phone. And when I did, I don't know if my microphone is working here, but anyway, when I did get him on the telephone, we spoke about what was happening with him at work. And it was the classic story of you get hurt at work. At the beginning, everything doesn't seem like a big deal. But then as time goes by, the company starts treating you like a jerk. And I'm going to give you the advice I gave him. I have been doing this a long time, and I see these patterns over and over and over. And when that starts happening, trust your instincts. When you feel like you got hurt at work, you're not dogging it. All you want is to be able to go to the doctor, get better, and come back to work. And they are hassling you, and you feel the energy change, you feel the attitude change at work, then you know what's happening. You need to trust your instinct. And that's what this younger fella, well, I'm getting to the point where almost everybody's a younger fella than me, or at least it feels that way. Um, Reader's Digest is um, that's exactly what was happening to him, and he was very hesitant. He's like, "Yeah, I never went through this before. You know, I talked to one of my friends. They told me I need to talk to a lawyer, but I never did this before. I don't really want to do it. I never had to talk to a lawyer before. I had never had to do a case before." And I told him, like, "Hey, I get it. I know it's nerve wracking. You're in the middle of uncertainty with your company, your job, the way they're treating you, and your physical health. You're injured. You need to go to the doctor. You got no money coming in. Now you're going to call a lawyer and add more uncertainty. And what if the lawyer's a jerk? What if they don't help you? What if they take your money? All this kind of stuff, right? What I told him was, look, the first thing is you're doing the right thing. If you're talking to a lawyer because your company's treating you like a jerk, they're treating you like a jerk. They're positioning you to cut off your benefits and get rid of you and treat you bad. Okay? If they're going to do everything they're supposed to be doing, they're not going to treat you bad. All right? But, they're treating you that way for a reason. And it's not fair to you because you didn't ask to get hurt at work. And you're not asking for anything other than what the law says you're allowed to have. And, I set his mind at ease by reminding him, like, look, I don't get paid until I win cases. So you never pay me out of your pocket. And the beauty of it is the fee on workers' comp cases, different states may be different, but in Illinois, the fee is capped at 20% of what I win. So that means when we settle the case, even if it has to go to trial, you're going to get 80% of the money. Even if I work 200 hours on your case, it's set up that way to protect the injured worker. I never ask anyone for money out of their pocket under those circumstances. And so, because I work for free unless I win the case, I know what to look for. I'm careful about the cases I take. If you've got a deadly problem in your case that I can't fix, I'll tell you, but at least you'll know what's going on. And the last thing I told him is, look, no pressure, no high pressure sales tactic. I'm just telling you the truth. You tell me what's going on. I ask you some questions, and then I answer your questions. And then, if you want me to be your lawyer, and thank goodness almost everybody who calls me does, then you hire me. But there's no money out of your pocket ever. So, anyway, he ended up being a client, and we're getting him squared away. But I guess the Reader's Digest on this is if you got hurt at work, you shouldn't be afraid to call a lawyer, is my point. Um, as long as you're calling a good lawyer who isn't a jerk. He's going to actually take the time to talk to you and answer your questions. So, anyway, I hope that information helps. Have a great day, and I'll talk to you later. Thanks for watching. If you or anyone you know has been hurt in an accident and needs a lawyer, or even just has questions, give me a call anytime, day or night, at 312-500-4500. You can call me anytime, day or night, and the consultation is free. That's 312-500-4500. Or if you're not ready to talk to a lawyer, I made 2 great tools that really help people out that you can use for free on my website. The links are in the description. The first one is called the Case Cash Calculator, and it tells you what your case might be worth. The other is called the Good Case Calculator, and it tells you whether you might have a good case or you might have a case with some challenges. The best part is that they're 100% free to use on my website, and it only takes you 20 seconds flat to answer 7 multiple choice questions right off the top of your head. And then you get custom information about your particular injury situation fast and for free. So check them out, links in the description. If you enjoyed the video, please consider giving it a like and subscribing to my channel. I release 2 new videos every week, and this way you'll get notice of them. And if you have a question you'd like answered in a video, just leave a comment with your question in the comments section. Finally, if you enjoy my videos or if I've helped you in any way, I hope you'll consider doing me a favor. Injury law is a very competitive field, and I like having a small independent firm so I can help people who need it. People really rely on Google reviews when deciding who to hire, so I hope you'll consider leaving me a 5-star review on Google. It only takes a few seconds, but it's a favor to me that I would really appreciate. The link is in the description. You just go to that link, click 5 stars, say a kind word, hit submit, and you're done. Once again, I hope you and your family are well, and if anyone you know needs an injury lawyer or has questions, please send them my way by calling 312-500-4500. Thanks again for watching. Take care.
312-500-4500.